Brentwood is a proud South African citizen. Although he is in his early 30s, he already has a successful business to his name. He employs 12 people and has a turnover of just under 5 million rand. Of course, he drives a sporty number and only wears the most popular labels too. After all, he's the man. He has arrived. His orders grow by the hour. But because his company doesn't have a large turnover, he doesn't have a huge credit management team. Less is more for Brentwood. Now you see, his prices are highly competitive, and he manages to collect his growing debtors book within a week or so after payment is due, so he doesn't worry too much about his cash flow. But things are starting to get a bit tense for Brentwood, despite being inundated with new inquiries and the fact that all his buddies envy him. He has now landed a cool 1 million rand contract, the contract of his dreams, to supply Devilpot Enterprises, a repeat client, now on a 90-day credit facility. Being the savvy up-and-comer, he makes inquiries online about somehow covering his company just in case something goes wrong and he doesn't get paid. So right there at the top of the page is this link to Credit Guarantee. They've been in business since 1956. They specialize in trade credit insurance, otherwise known as debtors insurance. They are the biggest trade credit insurer on the African continent. They have a small business product. Impressed so far, Brentwood clicks on their annual financial statements and has a quick look at the company's financial standing. Now that is very impressive. So having got that warm fuzzy feeling that he's on the right track, he clicks on the SMEC, Small Medium Enterprise Cover product link to really get to grips with this debtors insurance thing. He has to apply for a credit limit on each of his debtors through this whiz-bang online facility called Kregerlink. No paper required. This is cool. Credit Guarantee will check each of his debtors thoroughly, and if they already have info on the system, the credit limit could be issued instantly, quicker than you can make a cup of instant coffee. And then the cover is in place. He can pay his premium via debit order, so no need to worry that his admin falls behind. Now, here is the coolest part. If everything goes pear-shaped and Devilpot fails to pay his company, possibly goes into business rescue or worse, is liquidated, and his cash flow is a bit constrained, he can ask Credit Guarantee to pay his claim sooner at a marginally lower percentage. Bonus. Now, talking of bonus, he sees that Credit Guarantee also pays a continuity bonus if he's a loyal client and has a favorable claims experience. Awesome. So, how easy is it to apply for a policy? Well, not more difficult than sending an email or dialing a number. Enabling growth without risk. Credit Guarantee.